Hi, my name is Lydie and I am part of business development team in K.I.T group in Berlin. OPAID will give you the opportunity to both expand the reach of your session as well as focus on very specific target audiences who will attend hybrid conferences in the future via digital platforms. Your target audiences could be, for example, from very specific geographical area or a specific scientific subcategory. Through the organization of your on-site session, OPAID will give you the chance to digitally reach those additional targets, or let's say periphery targets. OPAID enables you to create a targeted digital sub-program to reach your very specialized groups. And in order to facilitate engagement and interactions, ask your speakers to take part in a digital Q&A session, or even better, lead a Meet the Speakers session on OPAID. With OPAID, you can think local but reach global.